Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this video today because we are doing a look that I have seen on so many people like Kylie Jenner, Jaclyn Hill, Kourtney Kardashian. This look is so perfect for the summer. I can't wait to share it with you guys. It's so simple and it starts off with priming your eyelids. I'm using the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, just placing that all over my eyelids to get a really good tacky base. Once I'm done, I'm going into the Huda Beauty palette and I'm picking up the color Saffron. It is the most gorgeous reddish, brownish, orangish color. It has a little bit of pink in it and it just looks so well on so many different skin tones. So the first thing that I did was I just kind of blended it into my crease and whatever was left I put onto my eyelid. Now going into a different brush, I'm picking up the same color and I'm putting that on my eyelid, and I'm going to be sure to blend this out, but I want to keep a lot of the intensity on the eyelid. So that's really important because you want to make sure that it looks very intense and dark on the eyelid and then blend it out towards the brow bone and obviously the under eye area. So I'm doing the same thing on the other eyelid as well. I'm first blending it out in the crease, making sure it looks really effortless and just very smoky and seamless, no harsh lines at all. And then I'm going in with another brush and just intensifying the color on the actual lid. Once I'm done, I'm just going to wipe everything away with a makeup remover wipe, and then I'm going to prime my face with the Fenty primer. I love this primer so much. It feels just like a cream, so it's really easy to get carried away and feel like I'm giving myself like a face massage. Honestly, I just love this primer so much. It's my all-time favorite. And then once that's done, I'm going to color correct my skin with the LA Girl primer, and this is just in the color orange. And anywhere that I have darkness, so underneath my eyes, around my mouth area, that's where I experience darkness the most. So that's where I'm going to place the product, and then I'm going to blend everything out with my beauty blender. So this is just going to help kind of neutralize my skin so that I don't have any grayness poking through on my foundation in a little bit. So for foundation, I'm going into my MAC Studio Weight foundation. I love this foundation. You guys know that I use this in almost all of my videos because I'm obsessed with it. I'm going to first place that on with the same beauty blender I was using. I'm going to pack a lot of it onto my skin, and then to make sure I get like a really beautiful seamless effect, I'm going to blend everything out with my e.l.f. foundation brush. You can use any type of stiff brush, and then I'm going to go in with the beauty blender on top to make sure there's no harsh lines. For concealer, I'm going in with my NARS Creamy Concealer in the color Caramel. I haven't used this concealer in a really long time, but it is one of my all-time OG favorite concealers. If you guys have been watching a lot of my videos, you'll see that I used to use this concealer all the time. It is so good. I can't even explain. And then I'm going to blend that out with my beauty blender. I wish that I could blend this fast in real life, but I do not blend this fast in real life. It would be so much faster for my makeup application if I could. Now to set my concealer, I'm going in with my Ben Nye Banana Powder. This is just a yellow powder. It looks really good on anybody with golden undertones in their skin. And for contour, I'm going in with my Bobbi Brown foundation in the color Espresso. This is just the foundation stick. I'm going to place some of it onto the hollows of my cheek, just from the top of my ears down the cheekbone. And then I'm going to go in and blend it out with a contour brush. This brush is from Sephora. It's the number 74 Pro Contour Brush. Once I'm done blending that out, I'm going to take away all of the excess powder that I had resting on my face while I was baking that area. For contour, to really set it in place, I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown powder and just go over everywhere I contoured. And obviously I'm going to contour my nose. I always contour my nose. It's probably my most favorite thing to contour on my face because I feel like it makes such a big difference. For blush, I'm going into this Wet n Wild blush. This is another OG product that I used to use all the time. Then I'm going in with my Maybelline Kajal Eye Pencil to tight line my waterline, and I'm going to curl my lashes with my Tweezerman Eyelash Curler. Next, I'm going to prep my eyelashes with mascara. You can use any mascara because you're going to go in with false lashes afterwards. So honestly, it doesn't really matter. This is just one from Estee Lauder. I like it a lot. And then I put it on way before falsies just to prep my lashes. So now going into the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette, I'm going to start doing a base of highlight because I really wanted to look highlighted and glowy. I put that all over my skin, and then I went in with Opal highlighter from Becca Cosmetics. Basically just put this everywhere that I would normally put highlighter, so obviously my cheekbones, my nose, and then a little bit on my chin as well. Now is time for falsies. I used House of Lashes Featherette False Lashes. And then to finish off the eye look, I'm going back in with that saffron color and placing that on my lower lash line. And I'm blending that out with a blending brush because I want it to be very smoky and just look really seamless. I'm going to add this NYX colored pencil into my waterline. It's like a red color. It matches saffron really well. But to accentuate that, I'm also going to put a little bit of black just in the outer 1/3 of my bottom lash line. For lips, I'm going in with Bow and Arrow liquid lipstick, and then I'm going in with Marvelous Moxie lip gloss from Bare Minerals, and I actually have a whole new lip video that I will link up top for you guys to check out. Then I just finished off by priming my lower lashes with some mascara, and finito. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I love this look for summer or just for any time, honestly. It's a look that looks good on every skin tone, I promise you. I have seen this look going around. I think it's just like a trend that's going around, and it's just this really beautiful, like blown out reddish, pinkish, orangish color that's just all over the lid and underneath the lower lash line, just smoked out like crazy. And it's just one color. It's the easiest makeup look you could do. This is great for beginners. If you're new to makeup, this will literally be a lifesaver for you because there's not really a lot that you have to do and remember for this look. And for those of you who are experienced makeup girls, this will take you no more than 5 minutes, I promise you. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I would so greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't already subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Don't ever forget you are so beautiful. Bye guys.